Welcome to Computer Homes Limited, where your dream of owning a prime real estate investment in Nigeria becomes a reality. This Ember month, we are excited to launch our exclusive promo on King's Ocean View Phase 2, the jewel of Lagos Calabar Coastal Road. King's Ocean View Phase 2 is more than just a land. It is a thriving community designed for the future. This estate is located off Monastery Road, Sangotedo, facing popular Lagos Calabar Coastal Road. This premium estate is titled Certificate of Occupancy with government-approved layout. The plot size are 300 square meter, 500 square meter, and 1,000 square meter. King's Ocean View Phase 2 location gives you access to Lagos hotspots. With top-notch security, reliable power supply, and eco-friendly design, with this massive promo offer, you can now enjoy 10% discount and spread the payment across 3 months with 0 interest rates. This is your chance to secure a piece of paradise at unbeatable price. Act now.